Hey friends, welcome back. We've got a candy cane, a heart candy cane. It's so cute. All right, let's get started. So here I actually have some kind of dome Kraze one stroke. It's the only one I own. And I wanted like a white bluish tone. And this Filbert brush is actually in a really cheapy pack, so not even sure what brand it was. But this one is a quarter angle wash that we're going to use red with. Your favorite red, and you're just gonna make kind of like S shape lines all around the candy canes. So now this actually candy cane, I watched Gretchen Fleener of Paintertainment. Oh my goodness, I hope I said it correctly. She is so beautiful and wonderful and so incredibly talented. So this is her design. I just wanted to make a heart out of it. So here, just choose your favorite green shade with a round brush and make lines all in between the red ones. Then, of course, we'll have to outline with black. Your favorite black, this one, I think I'm using Wolfe, actually. So we'll just go all around, and you're going to create this candy cane heart. It's so super cute. Would I do it on the job? Only if it was requested, which usually I'll get 1 or 2 people requesting candy canes in the shape of a heart, but it takes a little more time, so typically I don't have it on my menu. So now I have just a regular I think it is also a quarter angle wash with green. I really like the light color green for a base, and you're gonna create this bow. You don't have to put the bow, but I thought it would be cute. I asked my model what color bow should I do, and he said red, so of course Lily goes with green. So here I have Mama Clown's iridescent green glitter. I forgot what, minty green I think it's called. Super beautiful. Love this shade of, love Mama Clown's iridescent glitters for sure. They go on like any color. It doesn't even matter what color it is. So then you'll grab your favorite round brush. Mine is of course the round number 3 from loew Cornell with black. And you'll create these lines right here. You could put those swoops on the top of the bow. You could put them on the bottom of the ribbon. This is just how it came out. It didn't have a reference. I just kind of painted a bow as best to my memory. So here we go. I wanted to give the ribbons a little tail at the bottom. And then just add those creases at the bow and you're done. Oh, actually, I went ahead and added some stars last minute. This is a stencil I have in my shop, SparrowStencilSupply on Etsy.com. So, SparrowStencilSupply, just type it all together, no spaces, and you'll find my shop. So I really like this stencil. There's different sizes of stars, starbursts if you will. So we're just going to spread them out all over and give this design a little more shine. So I really love this design. I just want to give a quick shout out. Thank you guys for supporting my channel. Really appreciate all of you guys that follow, comment, like, subscribe, share. All that means the world to me, absolutely. And it gives me the ability to bring you more content. So, also, beginning today, I will be giving out a freebie stencil. It's really, really super cute. And it's going to be for any order over $25 in my shop. Alrighty, guys. Thanks for watching.